Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Forza Horizon 5 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings for this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Forza Horizon 5, and from the main menu, you can directly go into accessibility/settings, or you may pause your game during your gameplay and then go into settings as well. Now from here, go into controls, and you will find the change input mapping button. If you click on it, you can customize the keybinds of both your joystick or your controller and your keyboard. Choose your desired control method that you want to customize, and now you can go into each of the controls. In order to change any control, just press the select button when it is highlighted, and then choose any controller profile that you want to assign this change into. Once you have chosen it, you will be asked to enter your desired new button for this task. Just press your desired button and it will be set right away. If you go into the keyboard settings, you can once again do the same. Go into any control, press the enter button, and once you are prompted, you can once again press your desired new key. You can redefine all of your desired buttons by following this method, and once you are done, press the start button to save, or make sure to choose save and continue when you press the back button. And now you can start enjoying the game with your customized controls right away. And if you wish to change this at any time in the future, you can follow the same steps. Pause your game, go into settings, and from the controls, you can change your button mapping. You can change your keybinds. If you go into the advanced control section, you have various other options, such as setting up your dead zone, defining your controller vibration levels, and much more. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Forza Horizon 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.